Have you ever tried to solve a puzzle? It can be challenging and rewarding. Solving systems of equations is a lot like that. It's about finding the missing pieces, our variables, usually represented by letters like X or Y, that make the entire puzzle fit together perfectly. And guess what? Solving equations isn't just for textbooks. It's a skill we use in everyday life, whether we realize it or not. Planning a budget, figuring out how much paint you need for a room, or even deciding how many pizzas to order for a party. These all involve solving for unknowns, just like we do with equations. So, put on your detective hats, sharpen your pencils, and get ready for an adventure in the world of equations. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll see that math can be fun and empowering. Let's dive in. Imagine you have two secret codes you need to crack. Each code gives you a clue about the other. That's what a system of equations is like. It's basically two or more equations that work together. They share the same variables, and our goal is to find the values of those variables that make all the equations true at the same time. For example, equation 1x plus y equals 5. Equation 2x minus y equals 1. See how both equations have x and y? That means they're connected. Our mission is to find the numbers that can replace x and y to make both equations true. The substitution method is like playing detective. We want to solve one equation for one variable, get it by itself, and then use that information to crack the other equation. Let's try it with our example. Equation 1, x plus y equals 5. Equation 2, x minus y equals 1. Step 1, solve for x in equation 2. We can do this by adding y to both sides. X minus y plus y equals 1 plus y. X equals 1 plus y. Step 2. Now we know x is the same as 1 plus y. Let's substitute. Replace x in equation 1 with 1 plus y. 1 plus y equals 5. Step 3. Simplify and solve for y. 1 plus 2y equals 5. 2y equals 4, y equals 2. Step 4. We found y. Now plug it back into either equation 1 or 2 to find x. Let's use equation 1x plus 2 equals 5. X equals 3. Yay! We cracked the code x equals 3 and y equals 2. Imagine you're planning a party and need to order pizza and drinks. You want to buy a total of 10 items. Each pizza costs $10 and each drink costs $2. You have a budget of $50. How many pizzas and drinks can you buy? Let's set up our equations. Let P represent the number of pizzas. Let D represent the number of drinks. Equation 1, total items, P plus D equals 10. Equation 2, total cost, 10P plus 2D equals 50. Now we can use the substitution method to solve for P and D. It's just like cracking the code for our party supplies. Section 5. Method 2, elimination, teamwork makes the dream work. The elimination method is all about teamwork. We want to add or subtract the equations to eliminate one of the variables, making it super easy to solve for the other one. Let's go back to our original example. Equation 1x plus y equals 5. Equation 2x minus y equals 1. Notice how the y terms have opposite signs? This is perfect for elimination. Step 1, add the equations together. Since y and y cancel each other out, we're left with 2x equals 6. Step 2, solve for x equals 3. Step 3, substitute the value of x, which is 3, back into either equation 1 or 2 to solve for y. Let's use equation 1, 3 plus y equals 5, y equals 2. We did it again, we found x equals 3 and y equals 2 using the elimination method. Section 6, elimination in action shopping spree. Imagine you're on a shopping spree with your best friend. You bought 2 shirts and 3 pairs of jeans for $100. Your friend bought 3 shirts and 1 pair of jeans for $70. How much did each shirt and each pair of jeans cost? Let ES be the price of 1 shirt, J be the price of 1 pair of jeans. Our equations, equation 1, your purchases, 2S plus 3J equals 100. Equation 2, friend's purchases, 3S plus J equals 70. We can use the elimination method to find the price of each shirt, S, and each pair of jeans, J. Happy shopping. Section 7. Common mistakes and how to outsmart them. Even the best detectives make mistakes sometimes. Here are some common errors to watch out for when solving systems of equations. Forgetting to substitute back. Once you find the value of one variable, Don't forget to plug it back into one of the original equations to find the other variable's value. Sign errors. Be extra careful with positive and negative signs when adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. One little sign error can throw off your whole solution. Not checking your answer. It's always a good idea to double-check your answers by plugging the values you found back into both original equations. If the equations hold true, you know you've cracked the code. Section 8. Tips and tricks for equation superstars. Ready to become an equation superstar? Here are some tips to boost your skills. Asterisk practice makes perfect. The more you practice solving systems of equations, the easier and faster it will become. Choose the right method. Sometimes one method, substitution or elimination, might be easier than the other depending on the equations. Look at the structure of the equations and choose the method that seems most efficient. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask your teacher, a tutor, or a friend for help. Sometimes all it takes is a fresh perspective to unlock the solution. Section 9. You've got this. Remember, solving systems of equations is like cracking a code. It takes practice, but it's totally doable. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right away. Keep practicing, ask for help when you need it, and celebrate your successes along the way. Before you know it, you'll be a math whiz, solving equations like a pro.